2020, what a year. Unprecedented is the word that seems to occur most often when attempting to describe it. Perhaps weird, challenging, difficult, unexpected, ushering in the age of uncertainty. And let's not forget change. Lots of change. Change in terms of trying to seek protection from an unknown disease that seemed to threaten life itself. Change in the way business is done. Change in the way people interact socially. Change in economics. Change in simply survival.
As COVID-19 continues to spread, the future has never been more unpredictable. These are challenging times for us all, but we hope you're in good spirits and good health. Right now, we are doing everything possible to sustain our daily operations and to give services to our community. While there is a lot of uncertainty, we know that we need to adapt fast to our changing reality. Now more than ever, our community needs us. Many families are struggling to have even a meal a day, cannot access medical care when sick due to high level of poverty. Many mothers die due to complications arising from their pregnancy and cannot afford better health facilities. Many people are faced with anxiety, depression, stress due to uncertainties brought by COVID-19. Now, in this unprecedented time, NGM has stepped up to provide food relief to over 100 families that have been really struggling. Most of these people have been families of our sponsored children, patients on the medical and MAP program, and our employees and other people that God has led us to. We've done this for 7 months now. The fact that many people were going hungry, NGM ventured into agriculture on a 10-acre farm, growing food crops so we can be able to provide food for our communities and also be able to sustain the NGM operation. We have planted corn, cabbage, tomatoes, and green pepper. We are praying that the works of our hands shall be fruitful. Alongside food relief, NGM has been advocating for the mothers at risk. These are mothers whose pregnancy threatened their health as a result of obstructed labor and other complications. In this lockdown, we have also continually offered healthy information and medical care to families that are not able to access them. The pandemic has changed the way NGM has operated this year. It has prevented all short-term mission trips for 2020, the cancellation of one-step course, and the termination of international travels that have prevented Paul and Pam, the NGM directors, from being with a team in Uganda. This necessitated the termination of their tenancy at the Movule House, which had been their home in Uganda for the last 10 years. It was also the host environment for the past short-term missionaries and the base of NGM operations until we began renting an office space in the heart of Jinja. All of these things have resulted in a deep decline in financial resources. The NGM staff has been working so hard throughout this season and are still ready to continue, but there is a need for $2,300 for a payroll every month to facilitate their salaries. Nevertheless, the work that God has entrusted NGM must continue because the need in our community has not ceased. Actually, the need is bigger than the outbreak of coronavirus before. We express the love of Jesus in these practical ways to the people of Uganda. so that they will see how much He loves them and how necessary it is for them to have a relationship with Him. This is how we attempt to change Uganda one person at a time. We wish you and your community peace and health.